So to install your control board, just go to take this little tab here in the back, and it locks into, on this machine, that slot in the back on the floor. We're just going to bring our board into position, tip it up, let it drop into place, lower it down, and put our 2 screws back in. With the board in position, it's just a matter of putting our 2 screws back in. And again, that was just a Red Robertson screwdriver for this particular machine. Yours may be a little different head screws or some form of bolt. With the board secured in place, we're just now going to connect our electrical harnesses. We'll do the lower one first. And it just basically pushes onto the board and locks in place. And our other harness, again, it's just a matter of lining it up, pushing it in, having the lock grab, and you can feel that, and typically you'll hear it. So with our harnesses both in place, our next step is to put the back panel on. So to put our back panel on, just going to bring it up into place. Anytime you've got a panel with a whole bunch of screws like this to put in, just start them. Don't tighten any one down because you may have to move the panel a little bit to get it to line up on the other side. It may seem like it takes a little longer if you're going to do the screws twice. But if you tighten them down, you just wind up having to go back and loosen them all up again in order to adjust the panel. And there, now with the back on, it's just a matter of moving your machine back around to position, hook up your hoses, turn on your water, put the plug back in, as well as make sure your drain hose is in the standpipe, and the repair is complete.